Smart Hospital Online Slip and Appointment Booking System. Revolutionizing the patient experience. White heavy checkmark online appointment booking. Book appointments easily, anytime and anywhere, via our intuitive app. No more waiting in line or endless calls to the hospital. White heavy checkmark e-slip generation. Forget physical slips. Our system automates the online registration process and generates digital slips instantly for your convenience. White heavy checkmark real-time token tracking. Patients receive live updates on their queue status, ensuring they know exactly when to expect their appointment, reducing wait times. White heavy checkmark automated notifications. Stay informed with SMS WhatsApp reminders for upcoming appointments, ensuring you never miss a visit. White heavy checkmark seamless payment integration. Pay consultation fees quickly and securely through the app, no cash, no hassle. White heavy checkmark doctor availability management. Doctors can update their schedules in real time, ensuring that patients are always aware of availability and avoiding overbooking. Target users. Hospitals and clinics. Diagnostic centers. Patients. Doctors. The healthcare digitalization market India. Electric light bulb market size over $9.90 billion by 2028. Hassle-free hospital visits with real-time tracking. Welcome to the future of healthcare. Transforming patient experience with cutting-edge technology. Introducing our innovative mobile app that seamlessly integrates appointment booking, e-slip generation, and real-time queue management. With a focus on efficiency, we are revolutionizing how patients interact with healthcare facilities, reducing wait times, and enhancing the patient experience. The problem. Addressing key challenges in the healthcare industry. Long waiting times. Patients face significant delays due to inefficient appointment scheduling and manual paperwork. Lack of real-time updates. The absence of live tracking of patient appointments causes confusion and further delays. Poor communication. Miscommunication between hospitals and patients leads to missed appointments and dissatisfaction. Our solution. Smart, scalable healthcare technology. Online appointment booking and e-slip generation. Patients can book appointments, pay digitally, and download their slips, streamlining the entire process. Real-time queue management. Live tracking and updates ensure patients are informed about their appointment status, cutting down on wait times. Automated notifications. SMS WhatsApp reminders keep patients on track for their consultations. Hospital integration. Seamless scheduling integration for doctors and staff, reducing administrative burdens and optimizing hospital workflows. Key benefits. For patients. Faster appointments, reduced wait times, real-time updates, and an easy-to-use platform. Convenience, access to appointment booking, payments, and e-slips all in one place. Better communication, automated reminders and updates via SMS WhatsApp. For hospitals. Improved resource management, optimized scheduling and patient flow. Reduced administrative tasks, automation reduces human error and paperwork. Higher patient satisfaction, streamlined processes lead to happier, more loyal patients. Market opportunity. Seizing the digital healthcare revolution. Explosive market growth. The global digital healthcare market is projected to exceed $250 billion by 2028. Rising demand? Hospitals are increasingly looking for smart solutions to enhance operational efficiency and patient care. Revenue model. A scalable and sustainable business model. Subscription-based SaaS for hospitals and clinics. Recurring revenue model with scalable potential. Transaction fees. Revenue generated from online bookings and digital payments. Premium features, offering priority booking, custom branding, and additional tools to boost hospital operations. Our competitive edge. Innovative, efficient, and secure solutions. Fast and convenient. Cut down patient waiting times significantly with a streamlined, digital approach. Secure and scalable. HIPAA compliant, ensuring patient data privacy, while our platform integrates seamlessly with hospital systems. Enhanced patient experience, our app offers real-time updates and digital queue management, improving satisfaction and retention. Roadmap to success. Our vision for the future of healthcare. Phase 1, 2025. Develop core features and conduct user testing to refine the app. Phase 2, 2025 to 2026. Launch in select hospitals, gather feedback, and optimize the app. Phase 3, 2026 to 2028. Expand to additional hospitals and healthcare providers, adding new features based on user feedback. Long-term vision. Scale nationally and internationally by 2028. Investment opportunity. Join us in revolutionizing healthcare. We are looking for forward-thinking investors to be part of this game-changing venture. Your investment will help us expand rapidly and bring this transformative technology to healthcare systems globally. Financial projections. Rapid growth with high potential returns. Year 1 to 3 growth. Projected revenue, $100 million. Projected user base, 2,000 million patients and 1,800 hospitals by year 3. Break-even point. Expected to reach profitability in 8 months. ROI. Expected return on investment, ROI, in the next 2 to 3 years based on market penetration and scalability. Our expert team. Experienced leadership and healthcare experts. Mr. Deepak Jana, CEO, Founder and Director 95%. Ms. Urvashi Kalra, Director 5%. Mr. Aman Singh, Online Marketing Executive. Advisors and healthcare specialists, leading experts in healthcare and technology will guide the company's growth and ensure its success. Let's build the future of healthcare together. Join our mission to make healthcare more efficient and accessible. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey towards transforming healthcare. Together, we can build a smarter, faster, and more patient-centered healthcare system. WhatsApp us for a demo.